Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before creating a second account, gather a separate email or phone number. You will need independent login credentials for account verification and recovery. Install Mobile Legends on your mobile device and confirm a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Update the game to the latest version in the store before proceeding. Decide which platform to use for linking: Google Play, Game Center, or Facebook. Prepare those platform credentials now to streamline registration and avoid later account conflicts. Open Mobile Legends and choose the guest option to start the second account quickly. Play through the short tutorial to unlock account linking and basic features. After the tutorial, go to Settings, then Account to link Google, Game Center, or Facebook immediately. Choose your new email or phone number when prompted and complete verification steps. Set a unique username and secure password to prevent accidental overwrites. Confirm the linking so you can recover the second account later if needed. To switch between accounts, open Settings, then Account, and use the Linked Platform Switch option. Link each account to a distinct Google, Game Center, Facebook, or verified email to prevent losing access. Do not share account credentials between people and do not attempt account boosting that breaks game rules. If you plan to play ranked, distribute matches reasonably across accounts to avoid penalties and matchmaking issues. Regularly verify backups and update passwords to keep both accounts secure and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.